What if I told you that one simple drink, made from 3 plants that grow in nature, could begin to shrink your prostate in as little as 7 days while you sleep? No prescription, no surgery, no side effects. This is the bedtime protocol that Dr. Sebi taught before they silenced him. And today, science is finally catching up. Over 112 million men worldwide are suffering from an enlarged prostate right now. Maybe you are one of them. The constant trips to the bathroom, the weak stream, the sleepless nights. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could change everything. Let's talk about what's really happening inside your body. Because if you're waking up 2, 3, even 4 times a night to use the bathroom, if your stream is weak or you feel like you never fully empty your bladder, your prostate is sending you a distress signal. The prostate is a small walnut-sized gland that sits just below the bladder. Its job is to help produce the fluid that carries sperm. But here's the thing. In most men, starting around age 40, the prostate begins to grow. Slowly at first, then faster. Medical researchers have confirmed that the prostate grows at roughly 2 to 2.5% every single year in older men. As it grows, it squeezes the urethra, the tube your urine flows through, and that's when the suffering begins. Now, doctors will tell you the solution is medication. Alpha blockers, 5-alpha reductase inhibitors, maybe surgery. And yes, for some men, those are necessary. But what most doctors will not tell you is that these medications come with a price. Low libido, dizziness, retrograde ejaculation, decreased energy. And the moment you stop taking them, the problem comes back. Here's the statistic that should make every man over 50 pay attention. According to a landmark 2025 study published in Scientific Reports, a peer-reviewed journal, global cases of BPH, that's benign prostatic hyperplasia, more than doubled between 1990 and 2021. We're talking over 112 million men affected worldwide right now, and that number is climbing. So what's driving this epidemic? Acidic diet, processed foods, hormonal imbalance, inflammation, toxin buildup. Sound familiar? It should. Because this is exactly what Dr. Sebi has been teaching for decades. For those who don't know, Dr. Sebi, born Alfredo Bowman, was a self-taught herbalist and healer from Honduras. He believed that all disease begins in the same place, mucus and acidity in the body. When the internal environment becomes acidic, mucus builds up in the organs and glands, including the prostate. That mucus accumulation leads to inflammation. Inflammation leads to growth. Growth leads to everything you're suffering from right now. His solution was simple but powerful. Alkalize the body. Cleanse it. Feed it with electric, mineral-rich herbs and foods. Let the body do what it was designed to do. Heal itself. And here's where it gets interesting. Because while the mainstream medical world dismissed Dr. Sebi as a quack, researchers at the National Institutes of Health, universities across Europe, and published journals are now confirming what he said. Plant-based compounds do affect prostate tissue. They do inhibit the hormone responsible for prostate growth. They do reduce inflammation. So, what is this bedtime drink? It is a warm herbal tea made from 3 powerful botanicals that Dr. Sebi consistently recommended for prostate health. And the reason you drink it before bed is critical. Because nighttime is when your body enters its deepest repair cycle. Your cortisol drops, your growth hormone rises, your cells detoxify. Feeding your body the right compounds at this moment is like giving a surgeon the sharpest tools right before the operation. The three core ingredients are: number 1, Saw Palmetto, one of the most studied herbs for prostate health on the planet. A systematic review published just last year in F1000 Research, analyzing 84 studies, confirmed that Saw Palmetto inhibits 5-alpha reductase, the enzyme that converts testosterone into DHT, the primary hormone responsible for prostate enlargement. Less DHT means less growth signal to the prostate. It's that direct. Number 2, stinging nettle root. Nettle root works differently. Research shows it inhibits sex hormone binding to prostate cell receptors, literally blocking the growth, promoting signals at the receptor level. Studies have shown improvement in urinary symptoms and quality of life for men with BPH. Number 3, pumpkin seed. A randomized, double-blind Swedish clinical study involving 53 men found that men who consumed a combination of pumpkin seed and Saw Palmetto experienced significant improvement in urinary flow and frequency compared to those receiving a placebo. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, phytosterols, and essential fatty acids that protect prostate cells from oxidative damage. Saw Palmetto, nettle root, pumpkin seed. These are not exotic, impossible to find herbs. These are real, accessible, ancient medicines that have been used across Africa, Europe, and the Americas for centuries. And Dr. Sebi didn't just recommend them in isolation. He recommended them together as part of a nightly alkaline cleansing protocol while the body rests and repairs. In the next section, I'm going to show you exactly how to prepare this drink, step by step, and explain why each ingredient works at the biological level. Don't go anywhere. Let's break this down so you know exactly what you're putting in your body and why it works. I want to start with the hormone that no one is talking about enough. DHT, dihydrotestosterone. This is the villain of prostate health. DHT is created when the enzyme called 5-alpha reductase converts regular testosterone into a much more potent form. And DHT is the primary driver of prostate cell growth. The more DHT activity in your prostate tissue, the faster and larger it grows. Pharmaceutical drugs like finasteride work by blocking this exact enzyme. That's why they help. But they also reduce DHT throughout your entire body, which is why men experience decreased libido, depression, and sexual dysfunction. They're using a sledgehammer when you need a scalpel. Saw Palmetto takes the scalpel approach. Research published in peer-reviewed journals has shown that the fatty acids and phytosterols in Saw Palmetto selectively inhibit 5-alpha reductase activity, specifically in prostate tissue, reducing DHT production where it matters without the systemic hormonal crash that comes from pharmaceutical options. In some European countries, Saw Palmetto is used in up to 90% of BPH treatments. Germany, Italy, France. These are not alternative medicine fringe societies. These are countries with rigorous medical standards. Now, nettle root, Urtica dioica, works through a completely different mechanism. Your body produces sex hormone-binding globulin, or SHBG. This protein carries sex hormones through the bloodstream. When it binds to prostate receptors, it delivers growth-stimulating hormones directly to prostate cells. Studies show that compounds in nettle root, specifically lectins and polysaccharides, actually block SHBG from binding to those receptors. No binding, no growth signal, no enlargement stimulus. One study comparing nettle extract alongside standard medication showed improvements in both PSA levels and the International Prostate Symptom Score, a clinical measurement of how severely BPH is affecting a patient's quality of life. Pumpkin seed, Cuca beta pepo, brings something unique to this trio: zinc. The prostate contains more zinc than any other organ in the human body, and low zinc levels have been consistently linked to prostate enlargement and even prostate cancer risk. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources of zinc available. Beyond zinc, the phytosterols in pumpkin seeds, particularly beta-cytosterol, have been shown in clinical trials to improve urine flow, reduce residual urine volume after urination, and relieve urinary symptoms. Beta-cytosterol is a DHT inhibitor in its own right, giving this drink a triple-layer defense against prostate overgrowth. Now, here is how you prepare Dr. Sebi's prostate bedtime tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of Saw Palmetto berries, dried, or Saw Palmetto extract powder. 1 teaspoon of dried nettle root, Urtica dioica root, not the leaf. 1 tablespoon of raw organic pumpkin seeds, or 1 teaspoon pumpkin seed powder. 2 cups of spring water. Dr. Sebi always specified spring water, not tap, not distilled. Optional: small piece of ginger root for anti-inflammatory enhancement. Optional: 1 teaspoon of sea moss gel for added minerals. Preparation. Step 1. Bring 2 cups of spring water to a gentle boil. Step 2. Add your Saw Palmetto, nettle root and pumpkin seeds. Step 3. Reduce to a low simmer. Let it steep for 15 to 20 minutes with a lid on. This is critical. The lid keeps the volatile plant compounds from escaping as steam. Step 4. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Step 5. Let it cool slightly to a warm, drinkable temperature. Never microwave it. Step 6. Drink it slowly, 30 to 45 minutes before you sleep. Consistency is everything here. 1 cup does not cure anything. This is not a medication. This is a lifestyle protocol. Dr. Sebi was very clear about this. The body heals on its own timeline when you create the right environment. Most men who follow this consistently begin noticing changes in nighttime urination frequency within 7 to 14 days. Reduced urgency, stronger flow, better, deeper sleep. Why does it work while you sleep? Because your body's parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and repair mode, is fully activated at night. Your immune system is most active. Your hormone regulation is at its peak. Giving your prostate these 3 powerful compounds during this repair window is like installing software while the computer is running its maintenance cycle. In the next and final part, I'm going to give you the complete 7-day protocol: what to eat, what to avoid, and what lifestyle habits will either accelerate your results or completely cancel them out.